Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to draw a portrait of Santa Claus. At first I am drawing the outline of the sketch. Then I have started coloring the darker regions using black pencil. After that I am using brown color. Then using red color to fill the coat. Then I am coloring the gloves using brown and yellow ochre. Yellow ochre and brown color also for the belt and the shoes. Then I am using black, green and blue colors to color the Christmas tree. Like the video if it helped you and subscribe the channel for this kind of tutorials. See you all in next video and thanks for watching.